Sure. Here's a simple and delicious vanilla cake recipe for you to try. Ingredients: 1. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 cup sugar. 3. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4. 3 large eggs. 5. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 6. 1 cup whole milk. 7. 2½ teaspoons baking powder. 8. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Directions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Grease and flour 2 8-inch round cake pans or line them with parchment paper. 2. Mix the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 2. Set aside. 3. Cream the butter and sugar. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter and sugar together with a hand mixer or stand mixer on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 3-4 minutes. 4. Add the eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each one is fully incorporated before adding the next. 4. Add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. 5. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk. With the mixer on low speed, alternately add the dry ingredients and milk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. 5. Mix until just combined, but don't overmix. 6. Pour and bake. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. 6. Smooth the tops with a spatula. 6. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool the cakes. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Optional frosting. 1. Buttercream frosting. Mix 1 cup of softened butter with 4 cups powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and a little milk, about 2 tablespoons, until smooth and fluffy. You can decorate the cake however you like, whether you want to keep it simple with frosting, or add sprinkles, fruits, or edible flowers for a personal touch. Enjoy your cake. Let me know if you'd like any variations or tips.